If your client says, "I'll think about it," something went wrong, because a strong offer doesn't leave room for hesitation. I'll show you how to create offers that are hard to say no to. If you run a digital marketing agency, this video is for you. You know how to set up emails, landing pages, the whole system runs smoothly. And if you don't, check out our previous videos. The links are in the description and up here. But now comes the most important part. You can build a great product, but if you don't know how to sell it, you won't make money. There's a model called the Hunt Ladder. It helps you guide a client toward buying step by step, not with buy my loyalty system right away, but by leading them up the ladder. Now let's break that down specifically for agencies selling loyalty programs to small businesses. Step 1, sell the idea. Customer retention, LTV. Explain that acquiring a new customer costs 5 to 7 times more than keeping an existing one. And profit comes from repeat buyers, the ones who return again and again. Step 2, sell the category. Tools that increase LTV. Say there are many ways to drive retention: push notifications, SMS, email campaigns, personal discounts, gifts. But a digital loyalty program includes all of that. One tool for engagement, retention, and customer data collection. Step 3, sell your system. You're not pitching a loyalty program. You're offering your system, the one you provide as an agency. Say that it can be customized for any business, supports SMS and push notifications, tracks revenue and every campaign, builds sleek digital cards with custom branding, collects customer data, and generates reports. Show the personalized landing page. Look, here's the ROI calculator. Here's your card. Here's how the dashboard looks. You're not selling an idea. You're showing the result. Step 4, sell urgency. Why should they buy now? Offer a bonus. If you join by the end of the week, we'll throw in a free SMS bundle with 500 texts. Or we'll add a gift mechanic to your plan completely free. People hate missing out. Give them a reason to act fast. Now, how do you build a great offer? Here's Alex Hormozi's formula. Value equals to the dream outcome multiplied by the perceived likelihood of achievement divided by the time delay and the effort and sacrifice required. Let's simplify. Show the dream. Your customers return more often. The average ticket goes up, your business grows. Show it's real. Here are testimonials, numbers, an ROI calculator. Reduce the time. We can set it up in one day. Remove effort. We handle everything for you. You don't have to lift a finger. Want to learn how to build irresistible offers like this? How to create a funnel, find clients, and scale your agency with a working system? Join our free 3-day Boomerang Me workshop. We'll walk you through everything, from first contact to first sale. The link is in the description. Now, let's talk about the sales funnel and why it's something both you and your clients need to understand. A sales funnel is a customer's journey from first contact to making a purchase. But it's not just a journey. It's a system that helps you track exactly where leads drop off and what needs improvement. Here's how it works. The funnel is split up into 2 parts: the acquisition funnel and the retention funnel. The first one brings people to their first purchase. The second one keeps them coming back. In simple terms, the end of the acquisition funnel is the start of the retention funnel. A typical acquisition funnel looks like this: new lead, assigned rep, qualified, meeting scheduled, meeting completed, first purchase made. The retention funnel starts after that first purchase and continues from there. If you want a deeper dive into this, leave a comment. We might make a full video just about sales funnels. Now, here's the key. Thinking in terms of funnels means always focusing on moving the client to the next step, not pushing for the sale immediately. Just making the next step feel simple and logical. Where are you losing clients? Getting lots of leads, but only 10% show up for meetings? Then you need to work on the qualification stage. Or maybe you're booking meetings, but very few convert. Time to improve the offer. Track your conversion at each step. And that's what separates a great salesperson from someone who just shares information. A great rep doesn't just answer questions. They guide the client forward. That's it. And now you know how to guide a client up Hunt's ladder, how to craft a strong offer using Hormozi's formula, and how to build your acquisition funnel. Remember, sales isn't magic. It's a system. And Boomerang Me is your toolkit to build that system. If this video was helpful, hit subscribe, sign up for the workshop, and I'll see you in the next one.